Nice to see you again. How are you? Kamusta ka? Ayan guys, Bailey May. How are you, Bailey? It's nice to see you again.
Thank you. Mabuti po ako kayo.
Buti marunong ka ba mag-Tagalog?
Dapat po daw.
Dapat po daw, oo. Siyempre, laban talaga. Alright, Bailey. So ikaw, have you watched the trailer of Maple Leaf Dreams? Or some of the clips online? Not yet.
I haven't yet. I'm gonna go in and just be shocked. I'm gonna surprise myself.
Nako, sigurado ako makaka-relate ka dito. Kasi it's a story about OFW experience, ganyan. Diba?
LDR?
Hindi naman LDR, oo. Mas more on family, experiences of our friends, relatives abroad.
Sige po, I'm gonna enjoy this.
Yes.
Nice to see you.
Ilona. Ilona, no, diba? I love you, Bailey. Ayan. I miss you. Nice to see you. Picture ka muna dyan. Grabe, nasubaybayan kasi natin yan sila, diba? Diba sabi nila, si Bailey ang Zac Efron ng Pilipinas. Oh. Diba? Saksakan ng gwapo talaga, Rosel. Diba? Thanks, Bailey! See you inside. Dito, Bailey, yan. Sa Ate Ming, wala?